First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Azahra Khairunisa from AK24I. I will present my assignment for session 9. So let's start. Pancasila, as the foundation of Indonesia, has an important role in education. The background of Pancasila education stems from the need to shape the nation's character based on the noble values. National policy directs the development of the nation's character through education that emphasizes the value of Pancasila. The legal basis of Pancasila education in higher education is regulated in various regulations, including laws and government policies. The goal of Pancasila education is to form individuals who are not only academically intelligent, but also have high moral and ethical integrity. The history of Pancasila reflects the long journey of the Indonesian nation from the pre-independence era to reform. Pancasila was formulated in the BPUPKI and PPKI session as a result of the consensus of the founding fathers. However, the recognition of Pancasila as the foundation of the state was not always smooth, facing various challenges, including conflicting ideologies and socio-political changes. Nevertheless, Pancasila remains the foundation that binds all elements of the nation. Pancasila is listed in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution as the basis of the state that regulates the life of the nation and state. The 5 precepts of Pancasila reflect fundamental values that must be held by every citizen. The younger generation has a great responsibility to realize the ideals of Pancasila by internalizing this value in everyday life and actively contribution to nation building. As a state ideology, Pancasila serves as a guideline in the life of the nation. However, the challenges of globalization ideology threaten the existence and application of Pancasila values. In this context, Pancasila must be understood as a relevant moral and ethical guide, which can help Indonesia people face and changing times without losing their identity. Pancasila is a reflection of Indonesia's rich and diverse cultural identity. The values contained in Pancasila shape the personality of a nation that is tolerant, cooperative, and respectful of difference. Pancasila is not just an ideology, but also a way of life that is lived by the Indonesian people in their daily social interactions. The urgency of Pancasila in the life of the nation is very important, especially as an unifying tool in the midst of diversity. The implementation of Pancasila values in public policy is key to creating justice and prosperity. In addition, Pancasila also serves as a source of law and ethics in government, ensuring that every policy reflects the noble values contained in Pancasila. Pancasila faces various challenges, including the influence of foreign ideologies and rapid modernization. To maintain the relevance of Pancasila, there needs to be an effort to revitalize value, especially among the younger generation. Academic and the community have an important role in reviving Pancasila through education, discussion, and social activities that emphasize the importance of Pancasila values in every life. As the fundamental of the state, Pancasila must be maintained and implemented by the elements of society. A joint commitment to life and implement the values of Pancasila is essential to create a better future. By prioritizing the values of Pancasila, it is hoped that Indonesia can continue to advance as a united, just, and prosperous nation. That's all I can say. Thank you.